Looking for a powerful smartwatch that does more than just tell time? Say hello to the 2025 new H19 Smartwatch, now available at a massive 53% off. Let's dive into why this could be your next must-have wearable. This futuristic smartwatch comes packed with next-gen features, from a 1.95-inch AMOLED HD screen to a 900W rotating HD camera. Powered by the SC8541E quad-core 1.4 GHz processor, the H19 runs on Android 9.0, offering smooth performance, secure browsing, and multitasking, right from your wrist. Whether you're into fitness, productivity, or social media on the go, this smartwatch delivers. With multiple memory options, including up to 32 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage, you'll have plenty of room for apps, photos, and more. Full 4G connectivity, GPS, Wi-Fi, and global frequency support make this a perfect travel and adventure companion too. It tracks your workouts, hiking, running, cycling, even swimming, while keeping your heart rate and activity in check. And with a 1990 mAh battery, you're getting all-day power and performance. Here's what's in the box. The H19 Smartwatch. Detachable watch bands. Charging cable. User manuals. Everything you need to get started instantly. To connect the watch to your smartphone, just download the HiSportPro app, scan the QR code from the watch, and you're all set for full sync with your messages, calls, and app notifications. This amazing deal won't last long. Grab the H19 Smartwatch for just $64.03, down from $136.24. That's over 50% off. Click the link in the description below to buy now. If you liked this tech review, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to Hamara Experience for more amazing tech content and deals. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.